as journalists, they be a say fidelity or fidelity to the truth and fact. I hope one, I Eugene say to two, I will support anybody or because or demand development from Dr. Frank Amakwene. And let me establish that Papa no nyama downfall.
Yeah.
And the minimum no, but I see sometimes how people receive something is based on their experience.
Yeah.
I committee share FM. So kuku se ku nhwe me ye na me ko ba bia. Obi busam ya ben share FM asama. The way be a mekasa no. Mekasa ya obi based on the baby foforo na makonde wo mu treat me.
Yeah.
You get it. We were used to original kokwa. Ne do mri bi na kwesa say empanifo no kan bibi omonte. This young man comes in. For example, on top of my head, Crowflow Market who activity.
Yeah.
Kotokum Bridge who activity. Catheterization lab yeah. Dr. B Bini how yeah. Until because or requested for more things from Frankwamako Hena.
Yeah.
She say Lake Road, Love FM. Yeah, fact you also say so Lake because you know say when they do that road, it will bring a lot of tourism to that sector. Restaurants na won sebe nyam ponchi nom no be nipa do be put
and do na mostly omu bisa questions na ebia eden na o ye den o ye say no they don't really understand the work of the minister because some say the DCs MMDCs no nyina no he supervised them eti adwuma ekoso districts ahodo ni nyina no say anko yi a ono na ye leader ye bonichi so he's basically coordinator he's coordinating
eti hu se ye no ma bia DCB ye bibia you know catch monko ye we project we monhwe se mbe wi eti if it's ongoing you should know that he's the leadership role in the coordination. Yeah, but how I see, I want to submit a certain data. But once they be attacking on the let me just do this.
Okay.
Let me just do this. So just be my pictures now. When you go to the first picture. This is what I'm getting for you. Yes, I have.
Okay, I wish you have Facebook now. Yeah, the infonini be to hono na.
You see, they say, "Oh, I don't know, social, I don't know." Normally, I don't do this because sometimes you may sound that you are doing PR for the minister, but you see, they be because you full soldier on. One of the ammunitions you can have is that read, and let data guide your submission.
Sure.
There are some time minimum to for, but you see, na me he come across as to be a sebe. He's lost track of time. As it were free mukakra bakokra.
Yeah.
And I remember me of a MacBook. Latest offer no. Some pioneers I offer for be. Aqua had it. You free be data reporter. What data reporter does a country be a baby a would internet.
Yeah.
What a man for social media near there. Yan shade. What's Ghana? As we speak.
Yeah.
On my internet so.
Yeah.
And on my access to internet 26.3 million. Into access to internet say be a kokwo can be with me fact checking no. What me ku Google. What me checking yema. What me uploading a picture of internet 26.3 million. On my social media nko 8.59 million.
Social media no?
And that is 24% of Ghana's population.
Yeah.
Into yet say over Ghana for 10 at least 2 social media so.
Yeah.
Almost 3 access to internet. Into say minister biba. Now we use our social media and they are torn a region. Akokwa
how they say.
And there be know how ni say you. Like what law has been breached?
And see be a breaching law.
Akokwa instead from what menka. How you say to on Facebook no. Internet.
Yeah.
Internet. Ye kotonga di ama ye dwedi fo no wa beta. Ye ka se inhyira fa ye over 3 million followers. Internet.
Yeah. And the social media no take over, traditional space.
Exactly.
Because you need Facebook. Say no man make us but you see it everything.
You see, I didn't want to do this and to sound personal. There are some point this week I know attack a regional minister. I know quite some FM so Crowflow Market I know we here 120 million cedis. And the eye. I quite some points on a KMA boss. So what did he do? It was a minister and
na me expect so no ankasa an achievement.
You see, that's why I said I don't know the time, but I say I'm here personal.
And that's how we file. So before front I can have no issue. But you were in that office for 3 years. What did you do? You see, and I understand that a shebufu.
Yeah.
When you discuss the MPP in Asante, and if you are not careful, you say certain things you ought not to say.
It's true.
Elkwa 8 years in the region. 8 years. With all the promises they did. It's not even shameful for them to do these things. KMA under KMA, Kofum under KMA. Kofum is under KMA.
But now or call around Uchemho. No winning in
3 years as mayor. What did you do?
And then
sometimes the media announce no your content in your friend. Me that's why my style of media. I don't care about what you say.
Yeah.
Sometimes like as well business and I will be came and
in fact I expected that question. Say an achievement or but said
I go see people are play Adam and Ashanti first and I go here. They tell them idea for now. In Krana Makwini Mudin common omo exhibit some talent and the
yeah.
79% of Ghana 80 million people net are under 44.
And you know Global Info Analytics at the buyer said they Akan regions, Akan population. The NDC is losing even holds of it. Nationally, almost lose youth, a significant percentage of the youth to the NDC. And this is the time I think they need to re-strategize because okay they be do at them. And can want him the and so be do at them by and fan said yet no pepe and sa strategy say we say na make and simbia o mbeka bi wa enye no kre but this time social media will expose you say we say edan bi sia edan ni ho obi be kwa kogyina atwa beto TikTok obi twa beto Facebook ama obi ehun say de wo kan enye no kre the moment ya youth no so be hu say pani we won kan no kre no ni gidi e wo musha and they easily move out of your space. And very important said the NPP will take that into consideration. Eugene, are you done with that now?
You see, and I hope I didn't say me bonus. You see, why not careful? You may say certain things you don't have to say.
Yeah.
But I think that the NPP instead of doing this, should do a lot of soul searching.
Yeah. Yeah. Very important.
Yeah, they should. That's what I'll say. They should do a lot of soul searching.
Sure.
And you see, they don't. And I call say sad anka. What work no more no. Say can en kwasi asemu. Say nya dan.
I
didn't say en kanya dan. But why did you do that?
Yeah.
The more you engage the youth. One the first exposure we shall regional minister. Do you know the impact it will leave?
And the festival is bringing the youth. Enyasem get wow. Or making impact in the space of the youth, and because of say NPP don't identify certain youth almost who Ashanti region to me I carry on that mantle nibi no salvation nibi and now it's all about attacks. That is not how to play it out.
No, even the attacks, the attacks must make sense. The attack shouldn't come from somebody like Sampan. That's the point I'm making. It's not like you are far from the solution.
Right.
You are a KMA boss. Crew from force under KMA. So me Kumasi and I'll demand of you if you want development, that project, what did you do? KMA, KJTF phase 2, what did you do?
These are questions to ask.
When you're far from the solution, you see, when you're careful, then they will say that, oh, and I say, me, I don't care as a tax, they mean you say to buy Kanye, was at the end, but what did you do? What did you do?
Are you serious?
What did you do?
Are you serious?
You see, and that's what I'm saying, that they must reflect on some of these things.
Yeah.
They must reflect on some of these things. Ashanti region comment is that and
NDC is now becoming attractive in the Ashanti region. Now it has become attractive cry.
Performance and even Rollins cry that time lead to whom there's a reason why they and them saying I'm a FIFA man ponting kwan.
Yeah.
Quantum time. To 70,000.
What KMA DB? Mami Jeff Fatos Mami Honorable Joseph Amankwa Mpesu say kwabre Kenya say kwabre.
Yeah.
Na ebusunya behwa de this in the middle of Udru Kenya say Abrosan say ho no a na ode cross na ahoma bi light ahoma bi wo aka si twemu na ya ate no pool no nam so aye serious and no last year mu na is social media ne ade ne na mu na mpanimfo koyo mo akọchichira ahoma no wosoro ekwan tutu ye mimi hu ye kura 2 years aba etutu amakas ni duru a ka kese no tomu ananse odane and this is Kenya ase abrosanse animu ho no hwe kwan de ahwe enra this is enra
you see
na me this
enra mu said anko data no the buy no you see sometimes on today I don't know I'm restricting myself to so lot of things
yeah one here abeka de yen
can say me about voter region what as more can say Oma openly omu declare for NDC voter eba form compared to the last data. It tells you something. You cannot claim World Bank, give them microfinance infrastructure, and expect them to give you World Bank vote.
Sure.
They revolt. And you see, baby, I'm a case. You see, the job we do na kokwa, unpaid. Me say go back to 2020. What I told the NDC, the MPP in this region. Kokwa say nipa no. Na bra boy better da on here so beka say the twane fruma
debi
on here so beka onim Rollins revolution e kofuo
debi
the chunk of the people on Ghana's voters register no they are young people.
Oh sure
ye won ye wo ka kire no na waje eno na wo hwe and the 2020 election no and the 2024 is a testament to the politicians.
Sure
a TC parliament no ma adwama so na TC presidency. Na dey fale squacho for 2 council we say MPP atime lose by almost 1.7 na NDC so anyenye ma year they can also lose by 2 million.
That's possible.
Mahama lose by 1 million years NTB that 2016
ene dani
ene enya 1.7
it ebe ko nani se udi abra
so that is why I always come back to akokwa say akokwa me yachini ntebia me koto ba me chini se mu mitirim ba akokwa the ultimate thing that holds sway on the mind of every ordinary Ghanaian no the state of the economy
any development
otimi didi otimi toduane otimi koba entuma temamu ni ne ho tom obeto abama eno na santefo ka kire MPP that's why I said they must do soul searching.
Yeah it's true.
Obetena so 8 years akokwa no say ka sokoman me say sokoman so full line touching it's uncompleted 8 years. Not one of the 5 feet that why then you want to pontificate. How does it make sense to you? Does this make common sense to you? But make Santa media announce on the content in for me. If I'm a media owner, some of these I won't even give them a time. The greatest of respect.
Yeah.
You are not far from the solution. You are the citadel to take decisions to fix that problem. Now, after TV so pontificate you over now.
Yeah.
I mean, politics near time.
Too much.
Then we give people unfettered access and they say all manner of things. And sometimes, you see, when you say this uncomfortable truth to them, they think you hate them. But that is the truth.
Yeah.
What did you do? What did you do? 8 years. 1.8, 1.7 million, 3.5 million votes. Yes, I'm on twice. I'm someone. When I'm say I want son. And they be a cousin, me say, don't Mahama, the Jan.
When him say me no free.
2017, I go for the court for KMA beat the president Kufuado.
Yeah.
And no Mahama na. Okay. You must learn lessons from it. Be a promise Ghana, be a deliver. Onya kwasia sese be yebeka yenso ya santini tonko to men people no akoto jojojo yo say e no na me catch you bitam ka critical analysis akokwa me say Muhammad deliver ne mo ka so be ya ma Ghana fo na se be NDC for the pencil crabo be win 2008. Let me end on this. Ye free be Institute of Social Statistics and Economic Research I say in 2016 me research no mo ka say the best economy in the fourth Republican dispensation 3 years. 2006, 2008, and 2011. Okwa, unim said Fourth Republic, the closest ever election we've had. That election in 2008. Why? Pick every Afro barometer survey. Sure. I didn't prepare you. I'll give you the survey about corruption perception, approval ratings before standstill. That was why the 2-time MPP nearly won the election.
Yeah,
they even won in the first round.
Yeah,
why? It's the economy.
Yeah.
So if I say. Professor Sekuku Damako economy catcher said the best economy recorded is the 3 years 2011, 206, 208. There's a reason why the Ghanaians nearly kept NPP in power.
Yeah.
And to catch us, we are Ghana, we are Banya. When you better the lives of the people,
and no nema or money.
Aqua over 2 hours so, and your Cassatine, gymnastic new slogan in your
sure.
Yabatu name, you don't see, Yabatwabi. Nama, you win and Yabatwabi. Nako, what to me did.
And on
what to me to your rent, what to be to electricity, what to be the Nebakosuku, and no. And a babwa.
It has it. Eugene said to Assem no any.
You walk. Was a nipple, I try and wish you now. Do no any a prepa. One in the meal, which I said in town.
Adam no near free fan number 77, and son I was up by my boy now.
Sister, I fear him. I haven't got your son. I say, I'm not free for pens in now, okay. So I know
a champ on water tower by London, Yamino, and I'm Nico and Techinum.
Then I jump water tower by London, okay. So I know, and could you enter and then
and son I was up by Mobile Bejina Bua, him sitting at the Antissa.
So Tian Bien was 1 young to Gazo Debbie, sitting today, and Tissa.
So I will be in a TV trace or catch any panel was soon night to company for no. Quadron Mahama or catchers are by the come near before the toy.
So we can coach that TV kind. So, call Mahama Nakacha and said, the come any before and the toy.
And that's it. And for a futua na echo amana na dobra Mahama Lucy ya no so by who futua na echo no e ho futu no abie ni ne. Enti no se one hwede ye antoto no ma ye na no ma jinsemu a said Eugene e kan no power no de unkura ne saa afebo